So this is the Circulation Plus Reviver Neuromuscular Stimulator, and the brand sent me a free one so I can check it out. I wanted to demonstrate how cool this unique device is. Now to use it, it's quite simple. You're simply going to press the power button up here. There you go. You can see the screen lights up. Now to use it on your feet, you're simply going to rest your feet here. Then you're going to control the amount of electrical stimulation going to your feet using the sole, negative, and plus. It goes 0 to 99. And that's going to send the electrical stimulation to these nodes over here. Basically, it feels like a mild pulse of electricity going through your feet. Very relaxing. Now, you can also use it on other parts of your body using these gel pads here. They simply plug in over here. And you remove like so, and you put this on the affected part of your body. Then you're going to control that electrical stimulation using the body plus minus. It even has a timer function here. You can set it up to 60 minutes. It's very light and thin and compact. You can transport it anywhere, whether to work or on vacation. You can simply stick it under your desk, put your feet on it, and control it with this provided remote control. You just plug it into the closest power socket using this provided adapter here, or you can operate it using battery. It takes 4 AA batteries. That makes it even more portable. So it works great, it's easy to use, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a neuromuscular electrical stimulator.